We here at Bublup know the importance of keeping all your assets together, especially during those prime time moments, such as your big presentation or your next performance review. That's why we developed the ultimate tool to keep it all in one place, so that your content is not only ready to go at your fingertips, but also you can use built-in features to remind you of important deadlines or meeting dates. Got a deck for your big presentation? Add it to your calendar invite. Need to finish that analysis by Friday? Set a reminder so you keep all your balls in the air. To add a reminder to your calendar, head over to the three-dot button on your item or folder. Tap Add to Calendar. Adjust your date and time. The URL to your folder or item will automatically populate in Description. Add to your calendar, and your next project deadline with your corresponding deliverable is ready and available in your calendar. For comments, feedback, or suggestions, email info@bublup.com.